start fresh. Every day is a new opportunity. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. Good morning all. I am Keetna SR and we the students of grade 10A are here to perform today's assembly. Our assembly is not going to be as usual. We have something special to present to you. Today is World Earth Day.
In recent days, there is a gradual and sudden increase in the temperature. Do you all know what is the reason behind this? Yes, it is global warming, where there is a gradual increase in average temperature of Earth.
The main cause of global warming is the emissions of greenhouse gases. Human activities have been responsible for the sudden increase in the emission of greenhouse gases over recent decades, which has resulted in global warming. So we are here to make you guys understand more about the impact of global warming.
Hi, I am Surya.
I am Guduvanchery.
We are here to present today's amazing facts. The ocean absorbs 90% of the heat that is produced by the planet.
We are losing around 1.1 trillions of ice due to global warming.
The last decade was the hottest in 1,25,000 years.
We have lost about 302.4 working hours due to excessive heat produced by global warming in 2019.
Percentage of carbon dioxide is at its highest in 2 million years.
Global warming is partially reversible if usage of black carbon is reduced.
Area of Himalayan glaciers are shrunk by 40% due to melting of snow. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. Today I am going to create awareness about glacier melting due to global warming. When I say this, I could grasp your reaction. Come on, not again. But today we are going to try something new, something creative. Okay, let's dive in. First, I need you all to close your eyes and visualize this ballad. You are an animal as white as snow with long fluffy hairs. You're just all alone in the total white sphere. You don't have a clue of the exact number of days you're going to be alive, for you need a permanent home to live in. One fine day you may not have land to walk or even a prey to stalk, or grieving in hunger in cold icy waters, wishing to be rescued by someone. You wish so much for the good old days to return before our earth could completely burn. This depicts every single day of a polar bear's life. What could happen, you may ask? A polar bear walks along a rocky shore looking for food. The bear would usually be on the sea ice hunting for seals, pouncing on them when they reach the surface to breathe. But the ice has started to melt earlier than it has in the past. Without ice, the polar bear must scavenge for other less nutritious food. These changes in polar sea ice are a result of climate change, including global warming. But this isn't just affecting polar bears. Climate change affects everyone. You may be under the impression, I know, climate change issue, right? We have plenty of time for that to happen. Even a slight increase of about 1.1 degrees Celsius may bring a drastic change to the environment. Climate change affects more than temperature. Warmer water changes the pattern of ocean currents, affecting global weather patterns. Hundreds of plants and animal species have already lost their habitat. Imagine being homeless and having no place to go. Just terrible. What can we do about it? You can do a lot.
Global warming has made greater impact on all living creatures on Earth. So let us all pledge to preserve and conserve our natural resources without exploiting them. Thank you all. This is Keetana signing off.